Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your laptop runs a supported OS and you have a Microsoft account or your organization credentials. Next, choose the desktop app for full features or the web app for quick access. Download the installer if you choose desktop or open Teams, Microsoft, Com if you prefer the browser. Once done, run the installer or sign in on the web. This sets up local files, integrates notifications, and allows camera and microphone permissions to be requested by Teams. You now sign in using your account, enter your email, then your password, and complete any multi-factor steps your org uses. After signing in, Teams will ask for permission to use your camera, microphone, and notifications. Grant these so meetings and calls work. Once signed in, go to Settings, then Devices to select the correct microphone, speaker, and camera. Test them with the built-in test call. This prevents issues during live meetings and ensures your audio and video route to the right hardware. You finish by joining meetings from the Calendar tab or clicking a Join link and choosing audio/video options in the pre-join screen. Configure background effects, live captions, or start recording as needed. These settings help focus and compliance. If something breaks, first restart Teams, then check OS permissions, update audio/video drivers, and try the web app to isolate the problem. Finally, make sure Teams is up to date. Updates often fix bugs and improve call reliability. This closes the loop on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.